Hello, what is up guys? Welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how you can customize your home screen with the new iOS 14 update, in which we can add and use apps like Widgetsmith, color widgets and photo widgets. So those are the three main apps that we'll use in this tutorial, and as you can see, as of right now I don't have anything customized, but let me show you how it will look like after we customize it. Like, here we have it. Boom. So now once you see in that, let me show you and introduce you to the thing. So first of all, you need to download Widgetsmith, color widgets and photo widgets. As I said, we're gonna start with color widgets because I like it very much. So as I said, we're gonna start with something black. Like, here you have to be very careful because those discounted photos are, it means that they're paid, but you can see this one, which I like a lot. I'm gonna go with the medium one. Let's say light color or dark. I want to go with colored. I'm gonna choose this font, or you can literally customize and choose each and every single font you want from here. Let me browse a bit. I think I will go with something very modern like this, or yeah, like this. And then background photo, I'm not gonna use this, so I'm add my own photo. Let me add, I don't know, I like this one a lot, like never sleep. Okay, I like this one. It's because it's a time widget. So now what we're gonna do, the next step is hold and then go to the top right corner plus. Here I wanna, you can see it right here, but I have created a medium one, so we put it right on top. So now we have added our first widget using color widgets. You can use any color, any colors you want, but I've created one with blue because blue is my favorite color, guys. So let's move next. I'm gonna create a slideshow. Like, I'm gonna go to photo widget. Let me delete this so you can see, guys, like how it will look for you is something like this. So it's blank. The first thing you need to do is click on the plus right here. I'm gonna choose this image because I like it a lot. So now I have created it. It's right here. I have to go again, hold, press on the top right. Now I'm gonna search for, I think it's here, photo widget. I'm gonna use a small one, and as you can see, guys, I can use this and put it right here. Let me put it under this one. And now what I want to do, guys, and what I want to show you is how cool does it looks if you just remove those. So remove app. I'm not looking to delete it. I'm gonna move it to the app library. This one as well, remove app, move to the app library, so I can still use them. I can find them right here, as you can see, here and here, but I cannot see them here. And that's because I want to move my blue apps. So let's go home screen. I want to move my blue apps to this one because it will look very nice. I will add it right here. Let's say let's keep a bit organized. Maybe not this one. Let me move it back like this. Let me add Trello and like this, guys. Okay, so now you can see it starts to look very nice. Now the next thing, I'm gonna move more apps. Let's make this the payment app, or the business and organizational app, which would be like something like this, something like this. Don't worry, guys, it will look very different at the end, so make sure to stick until the end with me. Let me see if I can find another one that's with blue. Okay, this one is not really blue, but let's use this one, guys. Okay, so now what we want to do is use Widgetsmith because we haven't used Widgetsmith so far. So here on Widgetsmith, guys, you have small widgets, medium widgets and large widgets. We are just gonna use small widgets. Let's go add small, and now you have a lot of options. You can go with time and location, clock, fuzzy time, dates, custom, and here you can choose literally, like, you can use even your battery icon like this, weather, a lot of cool stuff, guys. But so we could make it something like this, background color. Let's put this one, and border color, we don't want to use border. Click save. Now if I want to add it, again, press and hold. You already know, guys, guys. Let's move, and I don't want this one, I just want 3, I guess. Is it 3? Yes, it's widget 3. So now if I arrange them in a different order, first I want this on top, I want this here, no, right here, boom. and here is how it looks, guys. What I would like to do is actually maybe remove this one, remove widgets, remove it, and add something from Apple which I like a lot, which is, give me 1 second, which is screen time, guys. I like to see my screen time because I'm obsessed with productivity. So let it look like this, screen time. Let me load this up because it's just, oh yeah, the day almost started, so we won't see some data, but it will look something like this, guys. I love the way it looks. Let me know if you need any more tutorials, any more tricks and tips, guys, but this is how it looks for me. You can use literally any single app, any single color. You can organize them how you want. This is just an example, guys. If you like this example, if you want to see more tutorials, make sure to like this video, hit the comment, hit the subscribe button, and also for more tutorials about how to use different apps, how to organize different things, you can check out the channel. I have a lot of tutorials, guys. See you next time. Cheers.